The Uganda Communications Commission has issued an urgent warning to the public regarding a fake document circulating online that falsely claims the UCC will shut down mobile money and bank services ahead of the 2026 elections. The fraudulent notice dated Friday, the 2nd January 2026 carries the UCC logo and falsely advises citizens to withdraw all their money from banks before 8th January 2026. Claiming that both banking and mobile money services will be suspended nationwide. In an official advisory released today, the UCC stated clearly the Uganda Communications Commission alerts the public that circulating notices is fake and not issued by the Commission. UCC only distributes official updates via verified channels. The public should ignore the fake document and consult only official UCC channels for accurate updates. The Commission has urged the public to rely only on its verified platforms for authentic information, including Twitter or X at UCC _ED, at consumer UCC MOHICT _UG, IB Bossa UG CHRT, website www.ucc.co.ug, toll free line 0800 222 777. UCC reassures the public that it remains committed to ensuring uninterrupted communication services and urges vigilance against false information, especially during the election period. This has been a news update from Acholi Pro Evo TV. Stay informed, stay safe. Acholi Pro Evo TV, your voice, your news.